Hi everyone, my name is Margaret. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I just wanted to come on here to just show you the advantages of having your small locks, your small natural locks. So I got these wig installed about 3 days ago. So this is like an ear to ear wig. It's got the 13x4 closure, but you can see how it's holding up. So what I did was I went to the salon and the lady tried to do like cornrows underneath my hair before putting on the wig, but then we realized that actually cornrows don't sit quite well, you know, the 3-strand cornrows. So what she had to do was to do the 2-strand cornrows, like just the twists, and she did like a couple of rows into my hair, and after that it was laying quite flat, and so she flat ironed the hair. This is really good hair, by the way. It feels natural because I wanted something looking very natural, as I have a meeting to go to this week, so I thought just to change it slightly, just, you know, to look a bit more businessy and like more professional, because my small locks are quite short, so I wasn't very comfortable with that. So I decided to just go and switch it up a bit. So this hair right here cost me about 300,000 Ugandan shillings, so equivalent of about, let me see, about 60 pounds or so. Yeah, so it's really quite good hair. It's very soft. It looks like it could pass for my natural hair, to be honest, but it's very nice. I bought this hair from HSC Hair here in Uganda, and that place is located on Marigold Plaza here in Ntinda. Yeah, so you can see the hair is very good. It's very nice, very soft, and the wig was able to lay very flat on my hair. So again, if you're thinking about switching it up, it's totally possible when you have small natural locks. Yeah, the other thing that I use is this glue stick. I got this off of, let me zoom in. Yeah, I got this off of Amazon when I was in the UK. And what I do is I just apply it on top of my hair anytime I'm going out, just to lay those flying hairs, just to lay them straight. So what I do is I just press that in. You can see it looks so good. Yeah, loving this hair. But again, you can use like any sort of wigs. I just wanted to come on here really to advise, because sometimes it can be difficult, especially when you have like straight hair, laying the wig onto the locks, because my hair is quite full. So what you do is you need to just do the 2-strand twists, like the flat twists on your hair. And I know she used a couple of like threads as well. She had to thread some of the hair and just tie it down. She even had to thread into the actual wig onto my hair as well, to make sure that it's holding on well, because as some of you know, I have 2-year-old child and they just tend to latch into my hair, so just to avoid it from coming out. Yeah, but it's totally possible to switch it up. So again, if you're thinking about getting small natural locks, this is your go-ahead video. Yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.